Sanibonani guys, how are you guys? Yo, ngine-story sakasisi lana usisi uthi ucela i-advice ngini, especially kubantu abadlule ku-situation yakhe. Please advise usisi and bear in mind ukuthi usisi like now she's confused and ukode hlokong like she's in pain and akabelieve ukuthi impilo yakhe ithene yaba like this. Usisi uthi awushoze sothi usisi Nthabiseng or awushoze ke bililingalo for 18 years, and last year February something in me is snapper like this and yangivuse emaqandeni ukuthi girl, what are you doing in this marriage? Cause ngathi izinto zihlangana. So usisi now uthi I'm confused, awushoze or aketse bore ke kopele or ke komrawo. Usisi awushoze bengimngane mina no sister in law ambe sibangane si right kumnandi ubhuti wakhe wabona i-girlfriend makabona mina, and then ubhuti told usisi ukuthi, you know what, I'm so interested kulumngane wakho and umngane wakho right ikamrata and stuff like that yabona. So usister in law was like, you know what, abutaka or interested go and or urata, so angazi uzoyenza kanjani. So uNthabiseng or na awusuza akibona abuti so to abuti uSipho angibona uSipho mina bengibona like ubhuti wami, like the way bengizwana nosisi wakhe ngakhona bengibona ubhuti wami, and ubhuti wami ekibo by 3, so kuna 2 sisters and then uvuye ke uSipho the brother yabona. So uthi mangiya khabo friend yabona, uthi like umother like utlaswenya kulobona uzakhonyisa like ngabe nendaba because of siyabaza ngisho abazali ukuthi banjani, especially when coming to some of our friends to ukuthi abakuthandi natural or abafuna ukuthi umntwana abe abonomngani like just like that yabona. So uthi friend athi hey mina, if you want to date my brother I don't have a problem, or also zikehane like anze anshela for isikhathi eside ngale agcineni mina no brother sikube ukuthi ke sisiyathandana. Or I was just at first bengibona mina umuntu right and bekumuntu ukuthi umbonisa lirato wabona things like that, bekumnandi masicala ayisithandana. So ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo mana sometimes asi right yabona unama issues wakhe kulobona, so kube ukuthi sadate and then sahlukana. Ngithi mina I feel ukuthi you're not the man for me in uthi sihlukane. Or I was just maslukana like that ubrother still didn't want me ukuthi ngihlukane naye, like na ulumuntu nak kijotsi outside but I can't find someone ofana nawe, so can you please get back together nami ngiyakuthanda, I want to build with you, ke batlo nyala ke batlo umsadi yaka wabona. But I was choosing ngale ngala nkehane at first ngalali kanti ngifuna nyala yabona. So uthi like umuntu abe persistent uthi I want you back in my life, in my life ke orata athi ngimsadi ke marata ngithole like abe convincing brothers kulobona. Egcineni sengiyavuma ke nami ke because of lerato, or nal brothers ube monate sibe like this, masiba like this ube uthi mina ngiyakhulelwa yabona. So uthi mangikhulelwa awushozi within 3 months sengikhulela ubrothers athumela amandwendo ikithi afuna ukunitha amahadi, so ikithi but you know what, let's wait for uNthabiseng abe nomntwana and then sizokhuluma indaba zamahadi. Or awushozi umntwana makazalwa after 3 weeks ube ukuthi ubrothers vele uthumela amahadi, brothers walobola mina futhi ngibe umfazi wakhe ayikithi vele bavume just like that kube ukuthi ngiba i-wife ka brothers. Or awushozi by then impilo be right between mina naye, but bekunoloku ukuthi uyacheat then and they kulobona like amadoda atshontshayo ukuthi bekanokutshontsha there and there, but bekusahleleke bengisho ukuthi hayi usesemncane uzokhula mentally yabona ngisele like that. Or awushozi isikhathi siye ubrothers aphindele vele akuthumele bese kibo ilokuthi vele uyaqedela uyasetlela everything yamahadi. So uthi isikhathi masiya ubrothers kube ukuthi umuntu uyacheata like wacheata kile 666 uyacheata uthengina manje senginomntwana oku2 naye, and mase nomntwana oku2 naye mina naye sesihlala sesihlala together. Or awushozi motho ola notlatsamaya asahutle like yabona kube indaba zokuthi uyajola, but mina ngizo ukuthi mina nolomuntu like we are building siyakha, so angeke ngize ngike ngibe distracted because of he's my husband. Or awushozi lo muntu lona like ngimshapile in life because ngibonga ukuthi indoda esebenzayo but ayina direction, uthi the work beyasebenza imali bekayithola but beyangana direction. So me being empilweni yakhe, that's when ngimshape by direction, asithenge in areke property, areke land, let's build the room, areke resource, so let's move to this location, more hoshapo, estates, stuff like that. Uthi like ngabe ngiyamshape empilweni. Uthi mina ubrother songithole ngisebenza, and bengisebenza ngifundile, bengisebenza ama department right, the company is right. Uthi 2013 awushozi ngithenge imoto, brand new car ngisithengele imoto. Or awushozi that's when lies into kahle kahle bezicala ukuvela ukuthi lo muntu onjani. Uthi awushozi angakutshela ukuthi umuntu wathatha I brand new car yami bekagibeza amantombazana left right and center, ngize ngimbhace mina gibeza amantombazana emotweni yami. Uthi ujole to an extent ukuthi se like ke motho asinahlela angasafihli ukuthi uyacheat, yabona. Uthi ajola to an extent ukuthi umntwana athathe umntwana bekamncane by that ahambe naye kuma girlfriends wakhe, nekuba this ex yakhe bengisho ukuthi ex girlfriend kanti asi ex girlfriend, yabona. Ahambe nayo, ahambe nomntwana ku girlfriend yakhe leso sikhathi. Ayi nayo umntwana kuze uyafika, papa kani awusolo wa color blocker ke mangilibitso la high, meaning ukuthi athi the ex bengimca ukuthi ex vele bayahamba ugqoka color blocking, then it color blocking bese fashionini. Or ka pick up from there ukuthi ukhuluma ngobani, bekahamba nabantwana bami ayochita nabo. Or awushozi fana ukuthi asendlini akhuluma ngefone, uthi umntwana mozogijima ari mama papa ubulela limangmang kofunu, ubulela umsadi umunga kofunu, yabona. Uthi abantwana sebayibona ukuthi lo muntu lo, uthi ngibatshela ukuthi hayi maybe ukhuluma nomuntu osemsebenzini ningawari, but deep inside my heart bekenzeka ukuhwetsahala. Uthi ufike to a point la sengiyasinika ngitshontshe ifone yakhe. Or awushozi mangitshontshe ifone yakhe ngithola ukuthi umuntu uthwekhela intombazana ngiyibhunu, or yamthwekhela uthi mose like apraise ngayana so amopraise ari motho wathweka, yabona. So uthi mangimbuza ngithi ubani lo okuthwekhelayo in arnoki ke girlfriend yachomi yaka. So ngimbuza uthi manje wayathwekhela wena, yabona, wayathwekhela wena. Uthi like umuntu lo like indaba avela ayitwiste like that ukuthi wena like ubelieve ucabanga ukuthi intombuza yona wrong. Uthi athi if ever it's not like that, like I apologize but like it's wrong, hore girlfriend yachomi yahawe ikawuthwekela, yabona. Uthi like angenze sometimes mina I apologize thinking ukuthi maybe like ngiyamsuspect for dulunyana tse but I can see ukuthi uyenzani. Uri awushozi mina indoda yami bengangithandile ukudla, bengakuthandile kuhle. Uthi angakutshela ukuthi now the car esha libe hamba gibeza ngaye ama girlfriend yakhe yonke indawo, iphokile akafuna ukuyilungisa. So iphakile nje akafuna ukulungisa futhi akazimiselanga ukuyilungisa. Number 1. Uthi number 2, lo muntu lona awushozi ke motho mongwa angaphuza. Uthi maka ngaphuza awushozi like the community la sihlala khona kule area sihlala kiyo izozwa ukuthi indoda yami iphuzile, izozwa ukuthi indoda yami iyathetha, or monna waka awushozi akanajwala afika endlini. Is either ufika ngo2 AM or ufika ngo12 AM or ufika ngo1 AM. Or awushozi abomakhelwana bazozwa ngayo ukuthi ufikile. Uthi this thing it's been happening for years. Uyafika endlini uyathetha, uyafika endlini like aphuzile nenikusende phone indema umbuza akakhumbuli. Yena akakhumbuli, hi babes I apologize, hey kizwala mani nake kwishisho ngodiregeleng, I think bayangthelela la netjwaleni, yabona, things like that. Or like utlaufa all the excuses in the world because of akafuna that accountability for ama actions awayenzayo. Uthi awushozi kwenzeke ukuthi elinye lamalanga siya ekibo husband, went to visit ekibo husband. So uma siya khabo husband awushozi uri house yavakasha kubo mnandi, hayi uphuzile brothers. So we are driving back, yes siya endlini la siya khona. Uthi bekumnandi endleleni, nginabantwana abayi3 no brothers, ne sinabantwana sisonke like si family of 5 sisemotweni. Ubrothers as asnap angazi sikhulume ini umuntu aqale vele asnap just like that. Usisi uthi siya driver bekumnandi uthi umuntu asnap esikhulume something umuntu vele acivele acasuke or awusi umuntu vele athukana asithuka I'm useless ake I'm not woman enough akakhalifa ke sihlayela uribile koloyi ngayithulisa wona no refe ngayikhipha la endleleni or ngishayise imoto ezayo like sife sonke ngakho ke libulaya ke libulaya wona no rihlahwa kaufela yabona uthi umuntu wami umuntu onjalo or recently awushozi uthi into engithe ukugcina recently ne uthi it was my birthday so ekseni so ngiyavuka thinking ukuthi no sizospenda ibirthday sonke uthi umuntu wami before everything do cheating and stuff uthi we used to go out maybe sasikhipha as a family or as a couple sakuma vacation but most of the time mina I'll spend money or yimi ngizo initiate even though yena azoyenza sometimes but most of the time bekuyimi because leso sikhathi financial bengisebenza bengi-right so yenze ukuthi kuza bo covid umsebenzi uyaphela and stuff like that so ngabe sengivula ibusiness yami so what I was choosing more businessing now he doesn't want me ukuthi it business yami be successful like one sabotage more businessing. Number 1. Number 2, mother-in-law doesn't love me. Akangifuni. It's been 18 years sengijwayele ke accepted. My mother-in-law uzwana nabantu abangazwani nami, especially my family members. Uthi mina awuschozi mangishada mangiba nalomuntu lo makaqala like my husband abanemkhuba yakhe snacks. Isolate from my family members. Akubekanga abafuni like bekafika aba pretended or ucale wazwana nobhuti wami. So wazwana nobhuti wami but still bekang abuser anroha atahile and stuff like that. So ubrother wami mdala kithi C2 but my brother bekamtreat as like bekam accommodate like lobona amtreat as younger brother and like my husband is alamadoda la akhona upretend outside endlini should like umuntu olungile emphakathini wonke even my family members they know ukuthi umuntu amulungu ukudlula mina yabo so umuntu onjalo uthi angakutshela ukuthi the way my brother bekamthanda ngakhona my husband and husband yami angafuni ukuthi ibrother yami like angiphi attention or abatla attention iye koyena like ilabantu laba abasiki attention ukuthi attention ayiye kuye yi1 ingasizi kimi as mina no brother wami sema siblings or I chose one time like bekimithwe so ngashare ubhuti wami ukuthi lo muntu lona usona so alright so uthi like my husband I try phone ubhuti wami vele ngasabuyi kuyi uthi one time vele amfonela athi wona kanti why these days in uthi vele amtshela ukuthi as long as athi ufuna ukuba umuntu olungile kimi but you cannot treat my sister right so angeke vele ilunge mina na uthi sizwana if uthi mina na sizwana treat umntwana sekithi kahle what I was just your brothers was nepa azayini endlini akwatile or why what's abuta how ditaba tsaka why what's abuta how ditaba tsaka onwansal abuta how so uthi the communication got break down between me and my brother uthi no siswam so each and every time mangikhuluma no siswam like lobona like awuswaka rixoyelana like sima siblings uthi bekangena between me and my sister or my husband umuntu ukuthi mangaba nomuntu ongizwana naye ufuna ungena phakathi nendawo uthi makang insulta ari habe futhi awusawuka unali wena usixayela in yabona uthi that ama comments bayathanda ukukhuluma if sicabana mina naye afaka usiswami affecta i relationship yami no siswami so uthi awuschozi ngibe na this friend uthi like mangiba nabangani akafuni like akafuni ngiba nabantu engathi at least angine stress ngirelieve stress kibo akafuni anyone around mina uthi ngibe na this friend so ngingamtsheli ukuthi hayi ngina this friend because each and every time angaba nangibangani uyabalandelela uyaba influence ukuthi bangasazwani nami ngibe na this friend each and every time maybe sometimes mangibhorekile endlini ngiwani uthi ngidecide ukuthi let me drive ngiye kumngani wami uthi umuntu attracking ukuthi imoto ihlala iya ku this direction so I think ukuthi makahleli acabanga ukuthi this woman yangijola ngifuna ukumbhaca bona uthi hayi angishiye endlini on my birthday ngicala le story se birthday uthi ngibirthday on my birthday ekseni umuntu ngisho ukuthi sizospend ilanga lonke today with my husband yabona nabantwana bami uthi ngivuka uthi umuntu avuke amana avuka angakhizi avela aqoka vela ahambe ngemoto ahambe or awusichoza imoto watsamayo hayi kanti uhambe ngetracker checker le address engihlala ngiyakiyo yabona uthi makafika lapha yana hamba abuza vele labo manje kumakhelwa ngokuhlala ubani la in should bamtshela ukuthi no uhlala so so yabona usisi bani bathangene lapho makangena shothi azibuzise ukuthi kwenzakalani ini uthi awushozi kimfihletse or ki friend yakho because of I know ukuthi umuntu onjani yabona u evil how far when coming to abantu bangaba close nami yabona uthi hayi afike vele friend hayi ngitsho myaka no I came here because ngifuna surprise umngani wakho in so bengicela nje asambe so surprise namuhle birthday yakhe utshela the friend now because of our one with friend umuntu wesifazane so namuhle birthday yakhe so bengicela ukuthi asambe so surprise so usisi uthi le friend angifoneni uthi nakho tipo it's afternoon now uthi angifonela athi your friend umyeni wakho nango lana yabona umyeni wakho nango lana bekathi uzongithatha sizokusurprise so mina I said let me call you first and find out ukuthi ngize na so uthi usisi uthi ngithi you know what lo muntu uhambile they didn't even say anything ukuthi uyapi nokuthi find out ukuthi uhlala kuphi umngane wami I don't even know so mina my friend they wake ifrekane ngathing because today ilanga lami I don't think ukuthi kuba right ukuthi ungeza la so I feel comfortable ukatla let me just cool off ngisote out nayi le ndaba le retabona or asjozi at okay uzabuya ke because nje ukuthi if you say no mina ngeke ngize ngihambe so your husband will come back or asjozi umuntu ngicela ukuthi uzobuya uthi umuntu ubuye late afternoon akabuya abuyi uthi ngize ngifonele friend ukuthi lo muntu athi lo muntu udala hambile la kasekho or ubile very late nakotsimu abuya uthi awushozi how one time ngibusy ngiyawasha uthi mangiwasha ngibona isleep like sithenga ukudla for uthi for 200 and something ngithenge kayi2 kule area lebakiyo la hlala khona umngane wami uthi ngizibuza ukuthi lo muntu lo bekadla nobani because mina my friend said lo muntu sekahambile yabona so uthi umuntu mangimbuza ngale ndaba le yabona ikho yabona ke ngibuza uthi like I don't understand inuthi hayi ngithenga ukudla so usisi awushoze motho ongerele ditseli botlhoko tse dintsi uthi manje mina ne family yami asizwani because of yena ungene between me and my family asizazwani vele angikhona ukuya ku family yami like ngi alone like family yami inside line le because of him and uyajabula uthi even if my family members wakhe if ever ngabe nomuntu angazwani nami uyajabula uyozwana nalo muntu lo uthi even if ngaza nomuntu azolwa nami ne angeke azamina uthi my husband never alwe nami uthi indoda yami since like because ngisebenza the whole time uthi izinto eziningi mina bengizenzela mirere engidi hlako diaparo uthi bengizenzela mina indoda bengangenzeli next thinking ukuthi hayi no ngoba endlini uyayenza it's fine mina ngiyakhona ukuzenzela uthi kwaba nesikhathi la abakhona nemali wa receive uthi a lot of money awusjozi uthi manje to receive leyo mali ngimtshela ukuthi you know what ngicela ungithengele ama-take LV ungithengele ne-iPhone like lazange ngizithengele mina izinto lezi I always buy for my kids and nezinto zala nendlini zedeco so ngicela ukuthi ungithengele or awusjozi mind thina lahlala khona lunako di estates so each and everything asendlini like bengiyenza nanoma ngaba ne extra maybe 2000 3000 I will never spoil myself ngizothenga izinto asendlini or ngithenga igrocer or ngiqalise igrocer or ngithenga something for my kids so I was like to him you know what mina I've never spoiled myself and ngiyafeel ukuthi because unemali ngithengela amateki la ungithengela ni iPhone or awusjoze motho wabolela ka mlomaharo ake half korekele for ngeke ngize ngithengele or awushoza ngakutshela ukuthi imali le wayidla for nama girlfriend uthi bekangalala endlini bekahamba amalanga anyamalale mina ngisele nabantwana chelete ayija yafela ayifetso fela chelete ke motho abuwa ngona agopela tshwara or awushoza my problem ngami indoda yami noma ngachithi yenzeni I always forgive him ukuthi like ke lerato le ke na leng lona for yena uthi mina lo muntu lona ngiyamqolela like nanoma ngayenza nanoma ngayenza something today kusasa phinde uyohamba yenze makabuya futhi I will always forgive him uthi ngimenzela everything kapi yakathatswa kira so presentable yonke into yakhe it's always up to date what I was choosing for the fact ukuthi ngisempilweni yakhe accumulate izinto eziningi because of I was there directing assisting or today motho because of akisabereka ambonekele silo uthi kwayenzeka ukuthi besine ikoloto eziningi yabona so besingakhona ukukhupha so yena bayani ikoloto eziningi singakhona ukukhupha so he was like you know what ngicela ukuthi uboleke iloan and then sikhona ukuthi sikuvalela sivala khona and then mina ngizokubhadala uthi leso sikhathi it was isikhathi lesi company am baby sivele ngama izo prepare ama retrenchment yabona. Uthi company yami leso sikhathi beyibhizi vele ngendaba zama-retrenchment yabona neliko processing yawo retrench abantu. Uthi ngithi you know what, i-company yami ise-processing yoku-retrench abantu, if ngayithatha leyo loan bang-approve uzoyibhadala na, or awusichosi adumela no, I will assist you, don't worry. Uthi or like mina lo muntu lo, I'm always bailing him out, diaparo ke amorekela, like I'm always making sure ukuthi babone umndeni alright, like utwana, or awusichosi ngithatha iloni ngiphethe isikoloto zakhe siphetshe sipush uthi ngiphelele umsebenzi. So I was like, you know what, akisabereke khopela uassist ka loan lila. Brothers was like, wena wasithathela leya loan, so nna ke tsena ka kodita bengtsa how brothers doesn't want to pay back leya loan. I was choose or hona no akibereke ke mo dikolotong because of I wanted to assist my husband, kahle kade assist my family. So umuntu yena manje izinto zakhe ze right, but or I was choose hona no, the only money anginikeza yona i100 uthi recently umfile 500 arzamoyira miriri, like mina i-relationship yami for 18 years nodambe ngangiphi imali kwenza inwele imiriri go and spoil yourself bengangiphi imali because of bengikhona ukuzenzela. Now ungiphi 500 or awusichoose 500 thing the way bayabalabala ngathing, or ngena usenange usalohi ngeke usinange usathi ngeke usinange usinamo phela nkoto ngiroba la nkote, because he knows ukuthi isolate from my family members. Now akena dichomi akena selu, like mina naisi, like na akisana bathu ba akena backup, I'm all alone. Uthi kwayenzeka ukuthi bekunabanye abangani bethu bebayicouple besana ukuchila nabo or awushozi na monna ka hatlehile ke mona o hatlile ke ngwanyana, I can see behavior yakhe yabona uyakhuluma ngakhona nalomuntu lo wabona. So uthi ngimtshele one day since nje angithandi the way maybe sizothi usisi sithi upink akerate the way o level lang pink ikateng kanti why ukhala umbheka like that kulobona abona. Alright, brothers athatha ifone afonela upinki uthi mfazi wami uthi mina ngimangaze ngopinki angifonela alright ke awunala mathatha khona ngelonga usikankeng sikali konke uthi usisters upinki wangigiva gore ya usikankeng editabeng tsa hao tsa monna hao wabona. Wabona uthi vele usisters angigive like that, or kanako like bengikhuluma naye sethu, but then now he went ukuthi ayobatshela, and then i-relationship yethu yabe se-emotional like that, abantu besele babantu esiphilisana nabo. What I was choosing, I've never felt so lonely emshadweni wami. Uthi bengihlala ngifila lonely, my husband utotsamaya ayeko young, uthi bekachita to an extent ukuthi one time makalala nami ngaba ne-infection. Uthi that's when I decided to, you know what, I'm moving from the bedroom. Uthi ngilale bedroomini yabantwana. Uthi prior that I was choosing angiba nomntwana wami welasborn. Mntwana wami welasborn. Ore mntwana bamdischargeile, uthi bamdischarge bekane jaundice kanti bebamela ama results asangabuye basidischarge before ama results abuye yabona. Then we went home. Ore tsathi le bantshishe ngatsona tsathi le bantshishe ngalona sibedlele, my husband wahamba walala malundu ngasala mina nomntwana omncane umntwana amasafika uthi indoda yami yahamba vele yazilalela somewhere else. Uthi mangimfonela nganza phone hayi kanti idoctor izongifonela after 2 days. Umntwana mama amahlo akhe bekayilo, so like nami ngibona ukuthi labantwana lamahlo sa ayilo yabona. Uthi first thing fonele le doctor, ngifone ngithi hayi man umntwana amahlo akhe ayilo a doctor athi no bengikufonela nami kahle kahle besithaya to get hold of ukuthi buya esibedlele masinya umntwana ama results abuyilune jaundice and it's very high, so please can you please rush to hospital. Uthi ngimfonele the following day bano urke amfonela ngamfonela umuntu aka answer phone. Uthi okay sharp ngidecide ukuthi ema request mina ngirashe ngesibedlela yabona. Or ashuza ngithi ngirequesta nangomuntu uyafika endlini uthi mangimbuza ifone athi ayifoni ilahlekile, why kanti ubokuphi hayi usikambuthisa kanti why can't you get the life yabona. Uthi be umuntu ukuthi mangangfonela hambile uzokutshela ukuthi hey get the life wena utswaba uphilong bakhe get the life yabona. So awushozi angikhaphe esibedlela uthi masikhathi bamthathe vele umntwana bamcheck ukuthi bamchecka vele bathi jaundice yakhe vele beyiphezulu kakhulu close to 300. Uthi mabacheck umntwana wathola ukuthi vele jaundice yakhe levels are close to 300 and akumelanga ukuthi afike kuleyo level kulabona mangafika lapho umntwana ngeke asaba right. Uthi awushozi baba sisebhizi nomntwana thola ukuthi ngithi kuye ngithi athi kima sambe or uthi umntwana uze before yabona besingakaplananga ukuthi uzofika ngaleso sikhathi, so bengakhipha ngalezi impahla zakhe zelibhayi. Uthi ngithi ay asami sokhipha impahla zelibhayi basesebhizi nomntwana yabona kumolo. Uthi vele sabe uthi emasicale sithenge ukudla yabona uthi ngithi no ngifuna ukhipha ilabor yomntwana angifuni solo ukudla ngizadla after sengifana out uthi umntwana kwenzakalani ngaye so the only thing base ingqondweni kaSisi leso sikhathi izidaba zamphahla zabantwana or awushozi masihamba ifone iconnecte nemoto bluetooth emoto uthi ifone eringe uthi la lo muntu umstore engathi abantwana basendlini yabona uthi umstore ngegama le one of the kids endlini yabona so uthi yasibhali lapha escreenini ukuthi ubani ofonayo uthi angayiphenduli uthi wafona second time uthi hayi mina ngisathi ngoba akafuna ianswer or ke press answer mokolo yini yabona uthi immediately mangithi answer uthi ubusisters ari hey wena sibangimanga yatleva ungishile ugijimile kumfazi wakho and wena uthize umfazi wakho awusamthandi ye bolana kimi manje ugijimile ungishiye lana ungishiyeleni yabona so uthi the husband athi kanti ukhuluma kanjani wabona ngumfazi wami yabona uthi basho the husband angafuna ukurespond but sisters athi you know what mo respond umojo hore vela awusandrata yabona vela awusandrata yabona uthi the sisters ezokuthi sisters uyaphendula phela ngithabiseni uyaphendula uthi athi befuthi unaye lapho futhi unaye uthi awushozi ke mofetola awusokere ubudise nete nale narsaratana vele ke motho house kawara nale narsaratana yabona so ungazi stress ngalokho asathandani vele umuntu wakho yabona uthi vele ulo brothers athi I know like umfazi wami respect umfazi wami or awushozi the fact ukuthi le ntombazana le ikhulume the way afuna ngakhona kwimhini wami uthi mina lo muntu lo ngihlupha ngamantombazana akan respect amponi but I've never spoken to him ngendlela edelelayo I've never all these years uthi angakutshela ukuthi sihambe kube ngathi nothing happened ngivele ngidlulise because of I'm thinking of the child what I was just recently uthi brothers manje makangithuka akadakiwe uthi angithuke ngithuka ngabazali bami mina abazali bami bashona and my mother washo before zoshona ukuthi check your mother-in-law akasi right ngicela ukuthi umcaphele or awushozi mina my husband mangithuka ngabazali bami bafile ngitshela the way I'm stupid ngakhona bile ngithona ngari ke namonna ngithona gore ke mosadi and ne diamond yam ipupunansi yam ari ke mshima ibile ke mshima awuseli wena umsadi aselo uthi ngiinsulta like that ari mari funny part ukuthi ukwenza lokho makaphuzile and ifuna indemambuza aho polisilo and utlo apologize uzaqolisa kana afune abahle bunani inale ngmushima mangimbuza ngithi wayifunelela nomuntu oyindoda onomgodi ubatla ngumuntu ngumona ngesemen anale ngmushima wayebatla ubatla enye uthatha mina ngiyaqolisa izinto lezivani ngizikhuluma ngitaki akilitsibi so I'm sorry I don't know what's going on uthi vele aphike athena akakhumbuli and yena mfazi wakhe uyamthanda wangacabanga ukuthi angazamthuke like that so adulzalibuze nasadi mine enhle gabo tse ina hadi hopula uthi awushozi each and every time asicabana uyang insulter uyigibela la ayehle phansi every time masingacabaniwe makaphuzile ulinda uthi recently uzile endlini around 2 and around 12 ore awushozi hlala kuma estates ne makuthulile kuyazwakala umuntu makarasa uthi uzarasa or awushozi otarasa and makacala uthetha azakhathale yena and then ashaya ubuthongo ila uzophumula khona as long as angakhathalanga uyothetha anithuke athukane endlini athukane arase wonke umuntu abomakhelwane bazozwa or awusothola nginamahloni ngihlala endlini for weeks uthi bangangiboni baze bakhohlwe arike bophelo boke phela le my husband uthi now awushoza angakutshela ukuthi recently uphuzile waphuza wadakwa makacala vele athethe like that uthi ngashela ukuthi yabona this time I'm not going to let you insult me like that usisi uthi awushoze recently ne uthi brothers aphuzila taki wacala insult uthi I was like yabona this time I'm not going to let you go ngoba uthi yena akakhumbuli makadawi manginsulta ngizozithukela ura awushozi ke mmodise manje wabuthoko and kamoruha buthoko uthi ngamngena so ngamgiva sahamba sayolala uthi mina ngoba ngizilala nge1 uthi mina nendoda yami since last year February ever since angipha infection uthi ngathi sathi uthi you know what ngonyana ibamo uthi ngiphuza iprep masihlangana ngezingubo ngiyacondomize angisadlali naye uthi cause ngibona ukuthi lo muntu uzongigulisa yonke leminyaka 18 years kawufela or my husband beka-cheater yonke leminyaka ke ngiyimile ke sexy ke abereka akibereke ke swetshi ke nale ngwana ke nale mpa kamfela uthi zonke yonke lama seasons empilweni yami uthi my husband has been cheating kuzo zonke lezo zigaba uthi so now lilalanga uthi ngamthuka mina I went back to my room because ngilala nabantwana yolala yi1 uthi the following day umuntu yangibiza ekamareni ukukhuluma nawe angimanthandana the way ukhulume nami ngakhona hey why on ruha uthi I was like how all these years usithuka lana endlini umthuka today wahopola hore awutlapetswe uyazi ukuthi uthini kimi hanya apologize I will try to change what else was bempilo engiphilayo abantwana bami yaba affect uthi I've got 3 boys mina ifirst born am na 18 or I've got 3 boys one time there was a time la besicabana khona ifirst born yami arabona mapapa now yazi ufika ku limit la uthi mina ngizokubamba ngezami izandla uthi ever since lelo nga realize ukuthi umntwana uyangimela abantwana bami nami or I was choosing wazama ukutwist umntwana wami amtshela izinto ezingekho ngami ukuthi umntwana wami angizonde abantwana bami bangizonde uthi I was choosing umntwana wami waza kimi athi mama yazi ubaba uthi ngawo and I know very well I've been with you all leminyaka le ngibona ukuthi uphilisa kanjani I know ukuthi unamanga but like he's trying by all means ukuthi atwiste ukuthi mina ingqondo yami ngime naye uthi ngitshela umntwana wami ngithi you know what me I believe that you believe everything akutshela yo ngami for ukuthi sibe nepeace la endlini what else choose nama utsola kampahle uthi kwenzeka ukuthi ngihambe ngiyobheka last year that's why ngivele ngaphapha emehlweni khani ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo he's been using me financially kawufela like he's been using me akangithandi yabona uthi mangifika bangitshela ukuthi umamazalo wami like unomthelela ku relationship yethu ukuthi be like this ngoba from day 1 nasampathe so now I'm still here it's like she's fighting ukuthi mina nayisihlukane no guy or else my sister-in-law the one bengimngani naye uthi inobhuti wakhe abazwani because he hates the way ayenza ngakhona because ubhuti wakhe ujole nabangani baka sister-in-law wami bonke my sister-in-law and mina ngitshela ukuthi ubhuti wakho uwenza 1 2 3 and angithandi and ngisamfuni next to mina uthi one time my husband bekakhuluma no-mother-in-law yami uthi atshela my mother-in-law ukuthi shikinale stress bathu mother-in-law stress sangwanyana kana wasaxohele motho kani kona amathomo ka xohela motho ratang kona amathomo ka xohela motho a right for wena or I was choose my ndung na 3 abantwana la motho lo I've been here yonke leminyaka lesibuilda this empire esinayo because of ngifila ukuthi mina ngibuilda lo muntu ngiyamthanda but yena maka no mama ke bakhuluma ngami uthi umama ke athi this day ibila usatlama go noxompotso go diragala ngmolapeng la gago ngikutela ditabo ngilalele lo sisikhatha ngibona ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuthi cause ifone beki ivolume speaker bephezulu uthatha hayi mama ngizoba right ngitloba right or awushozi mangakutshela ukuthi mina no husband ami sicina ukulalana last year and into nginotisile ever since ngihamba ukuhlola uthi nginotice ukuthi once mangihlangana nendoda yami izingubo sihlanganyele izingubo ore bophelo bakhe abathakathakana ibusiness yami iba slow uthi ngiyavila ukuqabanga uthi ngiba slow uthi ngibelieve ukuthi my husband ujonja ilike yami or yena nomama ke there is something abayenza ikhohlakele because my sister-in-law ungitshelile athi umama uyaganga and sister-in-law lo uyifriend nami uyiChristian ke motho wa kereke. So my mother-in-law my husband they are like this ke monona lena or ba utlwana to a point ukuthi I believe ukuthi whatever enzakala empilweni yami for 18 years ngabona ukuthi lo muntu uyangabuse uyangihlukumeza uthi khani ngisibona manje uthi I feel ukuthi bebangenze something ukuthi ngingaboni because recently ke Roberts awushozi funny enough uthi ngiyaphupha my husband ne my mother-in-law basethuneni ukuthi bagucile lapha like baba sa something baphethe like isitsha like salsenke Scotland salsenke uthi bakhuluma whatever bakhuluma ngicedalana basiribega like basivala like this and then baphakama bahamba so uthi I told one of abantu laba bahlola ba engiphilisana nabo uthi ngiyamtshela uthi omunye umama uthi ngiyamtshela ukuthi no ngiphuphe 1 2 3 uthi sometimes lelo phupho lichaza ukuthi bayakuvala ungaboni hore ba o rebe ha o ska bona sele. So be careful. What else Josie, now that I'm planning the exit plan indoda yami iyaguqa. What else Josie, I've been fasting for 18 years for my husband to change. Or bengithandaza yonke leminyaka ngithandazela ukuthi umyeni wami akashintshe, abe faithful to me, anrate ambone esmusadi because akangiboni esimfazi, like akangiboni attractive, ambone kasele. Or also if you can see me kimsali omo right, body aka right emi handle, uthi manje uyangithuka ari awaye emahandle, uthi ngaze ngamchenula ngathi mina ngithole ibele lami limile ngaqoki nebody. Today can answer bana ba 3 ampone ke le mosadi, ampone ke na le safe, ke le shape, ampone ke le attractive, o khona bona banyana ba kontle, but now ngitholing attractive, ni independent, ngisebenzela. Today ake selo mo wena. Uthi I was choosing angitshela ukuthi manje my husband ubonile ukuthi I'm no longer interested in him, angisambuza into eziningi, so I'm tired like ikilapili. I've been giving him chances, ngama chance angashintshi. Uthi now ngiphumile kuye vele, uthi like last year February there is something in me evele a shift nje out of the blue, ke ngibona ngimbank umuntu lona kanti beke bona engumuntu ibila si type yakho. Uthi like kube sengipick up izinto ezisinaks angenza zona and ngathi sengiya rewind ngibele move back. Uthi umuntu akucelana kimi athi you know what, I'm changing, I'm going to be this man no matter all these years, I'm no longer going to cheat, ke tloba mo no morata. Or afterwards mangakutshela manje sengiplanile ukuthi ngiyaphuma kulomshado, umuntu o right, umuntu akasahambe ebusuku, umuntu akasahambi namantombazana, umuntu maka emsebenzini uyabuya, mangathi ngiyakuphi ngiyabuya manje, uyobuya manje. Uthi the reason ngibhalela iTikTok family or channel yakho ukuthi ngicela advice ukuthi umudimo ungiqarabile hore monna ka change or uyangidlala ukuthi ngikhona ulala naye and then after bazong insulter or so khulile na. Uthi now I'm confused because lo muntu lona uyasaba nokungiphi imali because xa ukuthi ngizobaleka ngihambe, and utshela abantwana bami uthi if ever ngamkhala nina angeke za support abantwana bami ngizosibona, and nina mangahlukana naye ayikho indoda ezongithanda. So now uba this nice person, uba this loving, uthenga ama chocolates nama roses, I don't know what to do. Mudimu nkarabile or udlala ngami or in. So TikTok family, the channel, please ngicela ningi-adviseni ukuthi ngenze njani, because now I feel like ngizohamba kanti lo muntu already ingqondo seyibuyile sekakhulile. Uthi I don't want to be labafazi laba bahike labo ama husband wabo sebashintshile then umuntu ahambe. Or also to be honest now mangembheka akusali attracted to him, akusana wona the feelings, but sengifila lerato mfuthu ola nokubatla for 18 years can ubuya manje, because I've never felt mfuthu moli nyalong like for 18 years. Into ngiyazi ku insultiwa kwikhapa ruwa ka family aka kamme waka tokofetseni nge shape yami, izinto engizazi emshadweni wami. I've never felt mfuthu walinyalo, so hona no aqala mfa mfuthu. I don't know ukuthi ngihlehlise uhamba o ngihambe o yang trigger ena akasakufonela noma makhe. What else does aketsebe ketse jwang? Please anyone odlule kule simi leso mina ngiso bengicela hle, please advise me ukuthi from here ngenze kanjani. So please guys ngicela advise usisi because usisi unale stress. Ngikhulume na I think over an hour efonini angicacela ngixoxela ukuthi no ito like idiluza ngenze ngizona dingata ngathi ngiyakutshela ngathathi ilanga lonke, but so izinto amenze zona ubaba, so she doesn't know whether to leave the relationship or to stay, because now I'm confused and ufila urengare mudimu arabile, but like she's not sure. So please guys ngicela advice and thank you for watching Itori Sam guys in